everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Boosting collagen in the skin, firming, tightening the skin, getting rid of loft lines, getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Take a look at what I have here. I have an anti-aging facial oil. Now this facial oil is pretty easy to make. I'm using only three ingredients that are known to hydrate the skin, to boost the collagen production. It contains a vitamin A, guys, and a little of this oil goes a long way. All you need is a little. So look at that, guys. That's all you need. And you're just going to take this oil, warm it in your hand, and just apply it to your skin. And I suggest that you clean your skin before, so apply this to clean skin and press it on the skin. This is how I apply it on my skin. I press it on my skin. Don't forget to pack the loft line with this oil, and remember your crow's feet right here. Now once this is done, guys, what you're going to do, you are going to massage your face. This way you are boosting circulation in the skin to get the best benefit of the facial oil. So just massage your face. Don't forget your crow's feet. Massage. Lift and hold. Don't forget your jawline. Lift and hold. Lift and hold. Lift and hold. And just look how this is just waking my skin up, guys. Really, really an amazing facial oil. Now if you want to get the recipe for this facial oil, what you need to do is to keep on watching this video. You're going to need a small container to store your oil in. I'm going to use a wooden bowl. I like to mix mine in a wooden bowl. You can use whatever bowl you have. The first ingredient is a grapeseed oil, and I'm using grapeseed oil because it's a light oil and it's also an oil that will penetrate the epidermis. Grapeseed oil also is good for most skin type. It will not clog the pores. It also contains a vital antioxidant such as vitamin A and vitamin E. Grapeseed oil also is one oil that will have your skin hydrated without leaving a greasy feel. It will help to get rid of the wrinkles and fine lines in the skin. Now I'm using 2 tablespoons of the grapeseed oil. Now I use the grapeseed oil as a carrier oil. If you do not have grapeseed oil, use your favorite oil, olive oil, coconut oil, or even some sweet almond oil. Now our next ingredient is a must for this recipe, and this is some vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil will nourish the skin. It also will help to hydrate the skin, and when mixed with the other ingredient, is going to help with circulation. It's going to help to boost the collagen production in the skin. I'm using about a half a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil. Depending on your IU, use your discretion with the vitamin E. We're also using the vitamin E oil as a form of preservative. And now we're moving on to my next oil, and this is the best anti-aging facial oil. This is rosehip oil. This contains a high amount of vitamin A, and vitamin A will help to plump the skin up, boost the collagen production. And because we're mixing the rosehip oil with the grapeseed oil that can seep into the pores, it's going to get deep down into that skin and give your skin a younger, fresher glow. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the rosehip oil. I'm pouring this in, and we're going to mix, and we're going to mix well. Now guys, I'm using another ingredient that's going to help to preserve this facial oil, and this is a vegetable glycerine. However, it's an optional ingredient. If you do not have it, it's okay. Vegetable glycerine is very, very hydrating also, so you're getting double duty. You don't need a lot. I'm using like a half of a teaspoon or a few drops of the vegetable glycerine. We're pouring this in, and we are gonna mix, and we're gonna mix well. Now guys, this is basically basic anti-aging facial oil. You can actually choose to make this facial oil your own by adding other ingredients to it. However, guys, here is one ingredient that I'm gonna add which contain an antioxidant, vitamin C. Here I have some dried orange peel. So what I'm gonna do to release the vitamin C from the dried orange peel, I'm gonna place them in the jar along with the anti-aging oil. Now you don't need a lot, few little pieces like I'm showing here, and I'm placing them in the bowl. And what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna reach back for that anti-aging facial oil that we just made, and I'm gonna pour it in the jar with the dried orange peel. I do not suggest that you use fresh orange peel or fresh lemon peel for this recipe, because that is gonna cut back on the shelf life of this facial oil. So it's best to infuse the dry one so you could have this oil for well up to 6 months or so. So make sure to get everything out of the bowl as I am showing here. And now, guys, take a look. Here we have our anti-aging facial oil loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Now this is not ready, guys. What you got to do with this, you're going to cover with a tight cover, and you're going to place this in a dark area in your pantry or anywhere in your house that is not exposed to sunlight, and you're going to leave it there for about 2 weeks or so. After about 2 weeks, the oil from the orange zest will infuse with the oil that we make, and this is going to create a powerful, natural, collagen boosting, anti-aging facial oil that is good for your neck, your face, your décolleté, your jawline. Amazing, guys. Now this can be used on your skin AM and PM. All you need is 2 drops, and I suggest that you massage this on your skin like I showed at the beginning of the video. Amazing, amazing, guys. An amazing anti-aging facial oil. This facial oil, guys, you can make it your own by adding your own personal anti-aging facial oils. I recommend adding some batchy oil to this, or some carrot seed oil, or some cacao oil, or even some squalene oil. Just make it your own. But whatever you do, apply it to your skin, massage your skin, and before you know it, you're on your way to beautiful, radiant, glowing skin.